Hello friends, I'm Neha Verma. Besides being a child psychologist, I am an educator. I believe education should help children to think. Developing young brains to think is an art, and it begins at an early age. Clarity of concept and its application is the key. So, teach children to think. Did you know a 2.5 to 3-year-old could easily learn nouns or naming words? Let's see how. Watch till the end to know all the activities. Welcome to Happiness Mintra. Do hit the like and subscribe button and click the bell icon to turn on all notifications. Let's first understand what a noun is. Any word that shows a name, place, animal, or thing is a noun. It is a naming word. As a child starts speaking and learning, identification of objects is what they learn first. All objects have names, so all objects are naming words. They are in the category of a person, place, animal, or thing. So let's start with a simple game. Here I have 4 baskets. They are labeled as person, place, animal, or thing. I'll give you some pictures and some objects. How about putting them in the correct basket? So this is a car.
Oh, this is a thing.
And an octopus.
Oh, this looks like an animal.
Crayons.
Green things.
A teacher.
Oh, a teacher is always a person.
A park.
It's a place where we play.
Butterfly.
It's another animal.
Apple.
It's another thing.
Oh, I have a seahorse here.
Oh, this is so cute. But it's an animal.
A dice.
Oh, this is surely a thing.
How about a dog?
There is again an animal. But it lives on land.
And that's Ben 10.
This is again a person.
Oh, and I have a cute little Barbie doll.
Oh, she looks very cute, but she's a person again.
And last we have a bus.
Oh, this is a thing again.
So let's start with a simple game. You just need cutouts of different pictures for this. So when we teach young children, we normally show them some kind of objects in a book, or we'll show them small pictures like this. So these are the kind of cards that I will be using today for showing you how I taught nouns. So like I showed this picture to my son when he was very young, and I asked him, so what is this? He said crayons. So I asked him, what are crayons? So he was able to say that they are things, we use them to color. Good enough. So since it's a thing, it is a noun. So a picture like this. So what's this? Lion. Wow. So who's a lion? What is a lion? A lion is an animal. So when we say that a lion is an animal, we are again knowing that it is a noun. So it is a naming word. Boots or shoes. Okay, so they are also things. And since they are things, they are naming words once again. A teacher. Okay, so this could be auntie, teacher, mama, anything. So again, it's a person. It is the picture of a person. So it is again a naming word. It is a noun. So here, what is it would be that it's a girl. So you can just go ahead and ask, what is the girl doing? So the child would be able to say that the girl is sleeping. Now, if the girl is sleeping a noun? Is it naming something? No, it is not. It is an action. So it is not a naming word. So you'll have to mix and match your cards to make sure that the child is doing both naming and action words. So now comes a beautiful butterfly. Wow! So what's this? The child would know it's a butterfly, and a butterfly is an animal. So again, it is a naming word. So whatever words we'll teach them, we'll either say they are naming words or not a naming word. Okay? So this is a very simple and easy way of teaching naming words or nouns to children, and you can start it at a very early age, because initially we are teaching children how to identify pictures, and all identification based on pictures is based on name again. By age 3, children are mostly labeling pictures. So their vocabulary includes almost 75% naming words, 15% verbs, and just 10% of other types of words. So, teaching naming words is not so tough, is it? Try it and let me know if your young ones enjoyed it. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. You can leave a comment if you'd like sheets with printable cutouts to help with this activity. Do mention your email in the comments so that they can be mailed to you. Happy learning and happy thinking!